Hello friends, I thank you one and all for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare vegetable tikka. It's a snack recipe. Let us see how to do it. For that we need 4 to 5 spoons of curd. I'm taking in this bowl so that it will be easy to mix everything. Now add red chili powder, then goes the garam masala, salt. Now add the turmeric. Now add the cumin powder. Add little lemon juice, little ginger garlic paste, and mix all these ingredients thoroughly so that there is no lumps or anything, so that it is smooth. I'm going to add 4 vegetables into this. They are the baby potatoes, capsicum, onion and paneer. It is our own choice. You can add either mushroom, baby corn. So now the paneer has gone and the baby potatoes and the capsicum goes into it, and the onions also. And then I'm going to mix them all with this mixture thoroughly. Cut the vegetables little bigger so that it fits into the skewer. After marination, keep it into the fridge for 1 hour. I have washed the skewer and I'm grilling all these veggies one by one. We need to be pour little olive oil onto the grill, apply it nicely, and after applying it, place each skew on that and grill all the vegetables nicely and serve it hot. Now the vegetable tikka is ready, and this tasted good with green chutney. So this is how we prepare the vegetable tikkas. I hope you all will try this at home and enjoy with family and friends. Thank you for watching my video.